Turmeric soap is versatile and offers numerous health benefits to the skin. It is also suitable for all skin types. Hello lovelies, join me as I share with you on how to make turmeric soap at home for skin. This is quite easy and simple, so let's get started. And so one of the first ingredients we need to do this healthy soap is some turmeric. Start by peeling the skin of this turmeric. As you can see in this video, I'm using a peeler to peel off the skin of the turmeric. You can also use a kitchen knife to do this. We are doing this to make sure our turmeric is clean and also free from impurities. And after peeling it and it becomes clean, this is how it looks like. I'll set aside and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. And now that they've become clean, I'm going to be grating them with a kitchen grater. And after grating them, I transfer them into a glass container. Add to it 1 tablespoon of rose water. And next we blend smoothly with a stick blender. And after blending, transfer into a strainer with a bowl underneath the strainer. And after transferring it into the strainer, press the turmeric paste on the strainer with a spoon gently to squeeze out the juice from it. And after squeezing out the juice from it, set aside and let's proceed to the next step of making a turmeric soup. And so the next ingredient we need for this recipe is glycerin soap base. So I'll go ahead and cut the quantity I need for this recipe from my soap base. So if you want to learn how to make glycerin soap base or metal pour transparent soap, please check the description box for the video link. To make my turmeric soap, I'm using 400 grams of soap base. And next I'll be cutting them into cubes so that they can dissolve easily. Turmeric soap has great benefits to the skin because there are natural properties in turmeric. Turmeric soap contains curcumin, which helps reduce inflammation and redness. This helps soothe skin conditions like eczema and acne. Turmeric soap helps improve skin elasticity, thereby supporting collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. And after cutting the soap base into cubes, transfer into a stainless steel cup and take to the heat for double boiling. So I'll go ahead and place the stainless steel cup on a boiling water. As you can see, the soap base begins to dissolve immediately. Stir at interval until the soap base dissolves completely. Once it's completely dissolved, remove from the heat. And next we begin to add the other ingredients. So first I start by adding 1.5 tablespoons of turmeric juice. Turmeric soap also helps in soothing dry and irritated skin. This means that turmeric soap hydrates and calms irritated or dry skin, which makes it suitable for people with sensitive skin. And after adding the turmeric juice to it, stir together for it to be well combined. And next, I will add to it 2 pieces of vitamin E oil capsule. Vitamin E oil is a natural moisturizer that keeps the skin hydrated. It is also a powerful antioxidant. Additionally, it also reduces scars, stretch marks, and dark spots. Vitamin E oil soothes sunburn. It also accelerates wound healing and cuts. And after adding it to it, we stir together properly for it to be well combined. And next we transfer it into a soap mold. Turmeric soap is a natural and gentle exfoliant. It removes dead skin cells and promotes a smoother complexion. Turmeric soap has the ability to control excess oil production and reduces inflammation. It is also effective in managing acne-prone skin. And after transferring it into soap mold, spray top of the soap gently with alcohol to get rid of the bubbles on top. And next, set it aside for between 6 to 12 hours for the soap to be hardened. And this is the fifth hour. Here we have our turmeric soap ready. Next, I'm going to unmold them. And here we have our turmeric soap ready. This came out very beautiful and perfect. This soap is rich in antioxidants that protect the skin from free radicals, thereby reducing signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Turmeric soap is high in antibacterial and antiseptic properties. This helps combat acne-causing bacteria and promoting clearer skin. Regular use of turmeric soap can enhance skin radiance by reducing dark spots and uneven skin tone. And now that we have our turmeric soap ready, let's test for the foaming properties. As you can see, as I wash my hand with it, this comes with great lather, which means our turmeric soap is perfect. And now that you have learned how to make your own turmeric soap at home, please don't forget to like, share this with a friend, and also share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to Udo's Organic DIY and turn on the bell icon for more DIY recipes. Thanks for watching.